here is go back, 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 back.
Hello YouTube, my name is Farlan and this is Manuel and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we're gonna look at another Element React 87. This time it's the Red Orbit colorway, so stick around. So if you've been watching our channel since the beginning, I reviewed already an Element React 87 and this is another colorway. Nothing has really changed except the colorways. So this time, the most prominent feature of this colorway is the two-tone colorway of the base upper. So on this side, the neck skin, right? Neck skin material is white, and on this side it's a little grayish or smoke color. So you have the same. Also on the lace loops here, you have a different color on this side, which is steel. This one is like a white, and then you have a pink color here, pink here, pink laces with the white lines, and at the back it's a purple, and midsole is wrapped midsole with your pods here. You have a gray color one and a very bright pink one.
Yes, hot pink.
Hot pink. So
One thing I noticed also is that you see, this is blue and this is green.
oh yeah, so yeah, this is steel and this is gray.
It's
So
the fused overlay of
yeah, fused overlay on the neck skin material. So anyway, what do you think about the Element React 87 and what do you think about this colorway?
First of all, the Element React 87 is really a nice sneaker. It's definitely, I'm not sure because at first it was really hot. A lot of people were buying them. It was sold out everywhere.
Especially the OG colorway, the sail,
Sale in the black,
the sail one and the black one, and the undercover
the undercover colorway.
columns.
Yes, and then after that, it's like it dried down.
Yeah.
Although at the end of the day, they're releasing a lot of fantastic colorways. I actually got, this is actually my fourth Element React. So I have the other colorways which are in different colors. That is really attractive and
So,
head turner.
You
And
really like bright colorways for this shoe.
for these sneakers, I like the bright colorways. I love it, and it's really comfortable.
Oh yeah, so that's my
Very
next
light.
question. How about when you wear them? How do they feel on foot?
It's really light. It's really comfortable. If there's only one thing that I could improve on, definitely make sure not really improve, but more of like, for me as a person who wear it, I shouldn't be wearing low socks or ankle socks with these sneakers because this one can hurt you.
This one will cut.
Yeah,
This,
I mean,
okay.
it's not really that sharp, but if you walk on it
Yeah.
every day, and
Eventually it will like
the traction of
it will hit you.
in your
You're wearing this for a whole day and you like hit this.
every day, every time
You're
gonna hurt yourself. So might as well wear high socks for these sneakers, and definitely don't wear it without socks. So because
don't want your toes showing.
yeah, but it's really comfortable. And then another maybe issue for me is that the laces that they use, I don't really like them because they easily get untied.
I think because they're very stiff.
Yeah.
So there's no flexibility on the laces, so it doesn't hold that much.
Yeah,
Right?
the longer you walk, it will like loosen up. So that's another thing. So what I normally do is tie them twice
How about the
wearing.
upper? Are they flexible or
Yes, they
is
are.
it really tight on your foot?
It's not tight. It's not tight. It's actually like sticking. It's like covering your feet, but it's not really like super tight.
It's not constricting. So
Yeah, no, no, no.
so it has a
Definitely.
different feel with the Flyknit or prime knit.
Yes, yes, because the prime knit constricts your
Yeah, yeah,
feet.
yeah.
So that one is like you're wearing a sock. This one it's not like that. So definitely, for me, I highly recommend these sneakers because first of all, their colorways are really like head turner and popping.
So in my opinion, I don't really like colorful sneakers.
Uh-huh.
So I like them to be simple. So the first two colorways I like the most. The sail and the black and white.
Actually, they're the classic one.
Yeah, the OG one. So for this one, I'm sure it's worth the money.
$180 US.
Yeah, yeah. But I don't like colorful sneakers. That's why. So I don't really like going to the elementary athletes.
For me, I like sneakers. It doesn't matter if it's because I have a lot of black and white sneakers and only black and white and all like monotone sneakers. But I also like some sneakers with pop,
With colors.
yeah, with colors. But this one you have to make sure that you wear it properly. You don't want to
Okay. Because when you put this on, you're like you want to
coordinate. Yes,
coordinate this with your whole outfit. So
exactly.
you're gonna be thinking more. So
Yeah.
for me, I don't like to do that.
You just like pull and wear.
Yeah.
This is definitely a very good sneaker, very comfortable. I'm not sure if this is really good for running, but this is actually made for daily.
Yeah.
From what you said in your last video, right? This is actually a daily grinder. So you wear this like a full day type of shoe,
Yeah.
type of sneakers, whole day sneakers. So, which is true. I've tried it. My feet never hurt. Yeah. Apart from these, if you're wearing short socks. So yeah, I think overall these sneakers are really. I think now I can say already that it's underrated. But of course, this is a little bit pricey. But they have a younger brother or the Element 55, which is almost the same silhouette,
Except for the
the upper. Yeah, the upper. That one is like more of a mesh type or neoprene, right?
No, it's mesh kind, patterned mesh or canvas.
Canvas material. So that one is also nice.
Yeah,
to
it
wear.
has the same silhouette, but it doesn't have the same
Effect.
the same fall. This one like falls like this.
Yeah, it falls
That
down.
one is like little more stiff.
Yes. So yeah, so overall, like I said, these are very nice sneakers. You can get them under retail the best. So yeah, I think that's it.
If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button.
Don't forget to like us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have Snapchat, and we have TikTok.
And also, until October 6, we're having 2 giveaways. The first one is the Air Jordan Low Black Toe.
And the other one is the Ultra Boost 19s.
Again, my name is Forlan.
And this is Manuel.
Until next time.